Chef Whitney here from Fort Worth Country Day, and I have Harrison with me.
Hi!
Today we are going to be doing some fun science kitchen experiments. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Yeah, let's go! For the baking soda volcano, you'll need baking soda, white vinegar, a cup to build your volcano in, and a pan to catch all of the lava. For this experiment, we are making a baking soda volcano. You need baking soda, white vinegar, a cup to make your volcano, and I'm putting a pan down to catch everything that spills out like lava. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for this, we're gonna take, what is this? Do you know?
Mm-hmm.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda, and I need you to help me. We're gonna pour it into our cup. Now, since we're not actually cooking, measurements don't have to be completely exact. But you wanna get a good amount in the bottom. Okay. So we have our baking soda. Yeah? Now, what do you think is gonna happen when we pour vinegar into this?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think will happen? You think it'll explode like lava?
No.
No. Let's see. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Can you help me pour it?
Yeah.
Ah!
It's rough.
Wow.
It's a volcano.
It is a volcano.
Whoa!
So the vinegar and the baking soda have a chemical reaction when they make contact, and they cause it to explode like that. Just make all those bubbles, just like a volcano. Pretty cool, huh?
Hey, what?
Okay, that is our volcano experiment. For the lava lamp, you'll need vegetable oil, water, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and a water bottle. For this experiment, we are going to make a homemade lava lamp.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your vegetable oil, and we're going to fill a water bottle 2/3 of the way with oil. The next thing we want to do is we're going to top this off with water, but you want to leave some room at the top. Okay, we're gonna let this settle for a couple minutes.
Bubbles.
So the water is sitting on the bottom and the vegetable oil is sitting on top of it. They don't mix. Water and oil don't mix. Okay, so now what we need to do is we're going to add some color. How about orange? Can you add a couple drops into the water bottle? So now we've added some orange color.
Let me see.
Right there on the bottom. So now we need to activate our lava lamp. So this is where Alka-Seltzer comes in. It's really important to use Alka-Seltzer. You can substitute for other ingredients, but this is the easiest one to do. You want to take a tablet and break it into 4 pieces. Yeah, can you, Harrison, can you add that piece into the water bottle? A lava lamp.
Hey! That's cool.
That's very cool, huh?
It's
Wow, look at all of those bubbles.
And this is called a waffle lamp.
And you can reactivate this every time with a little bit more Alka-Seltzer. All right, and that is our lava lamp experiment. For the yeast balloon experiment, you'll need 1 packet of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, warm water, a balloon, and a water bottle. For this experiment, we are going to do the yeast balloon. We're gonna see how yeast works. So I have a water bottle and I filled it about 1 inch with warm water. This will help activate your yeast because your yeast right now is asleep and dormant.
It's sleepy.
It's sleeping, yeah. So I have a large bag of yeast, but if you have one of those little packets that you get from the grocery store, that's the perfect size. You'll want to add 1 whole one. So we're going to add yeast to our bottle. Give it a stir.
It's sleepy.
Now yeast needs food and yeast eats, do you know what this is?
Flour.
Sugar.
Sugar.
So we are going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and give that a little bit of a stir. Can I have the balloon? So before you put the balloon on top of the bottle, you need to stretch it out a few times so you can blow it up. So just kind of stretch out this plastic, the rubber, and then we are going to put it over the top of the water bottle. Now this is not going to react right away. We want to put this for about 20 minutes in a warm spot. So I'm going to go put this in my window and then we'll come back to it. Okay?
Hey, there's a window.
That is a window. All right, so I just grabbed our yeast bottle and look at this. It blew up the balloon. Feel it. That's pretty hard, huh? So as you can see, the yeast grew from the water being activated by the water, and then the sugar helped feed the yeast. And so this is how you help make breads grow. So this is yeast. Yeast grew, all of this air came out, and it filled up our balloon. That's pretty cool, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So yeast is live, just so you know.
The yeast is alive.
It is alive. And that is our yeast balloon experiment. And those are our awesome science kitchen experiments. Which one was your favorite, Harrison?
This one?
All of them. So we enjoyed the baking soda volcano, the lava lamps, and the yeast balloon. All of them are pretty cool.
It's the yeast balloon is first.
That's pretty cool.
The yeast.
All right, it's time to say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for having science experiments with us. See you next time.
Let me touch it.
Get it.